part 1, you will hear a man booking a place on a bike repair workshop. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning, Wheelhouse Community Workshop. Clara speaking.
Hello, I saw a notice about your basic bike repair workshop, and I wondered whether there are still places available.
There are 2 places left. I can reserve one if I take your details now. Could I have your surname first?
It is Harrington.
Is that with 1 R after the A?
2 R's after the A, Harrington.
Thank you, Mr. Harrington. And the last 4 digits of your phone number.
It ends in 0832. Sorry, I always mix that up with my partner's number. Mine ends in 0382.
0382. Now, the beginner's workshop runs on Wednesday evening and Saturday morning. Wednesday is aimed at people who already know the tools. Saturday is slower and better for first-timers.
Saturday, definitely. I can ride a bike, but I cannot repair one.
That is exactly the level we expect. The first practical section covers punctures, but the main topic is brakes, because most beginners adjust them too tightly.
Good, my brakes are the reason I am booking.
The fee is £15 if you pay on the day, but £12 if you book now.
I will book now then.
Before you hear the rest of part 1, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
Please wear old clothes. We provide aprons, but they do not cover your hands, so bring gloves if you have them.
I have gardening gloves, would they be all right?
Yes, as long as you can move your fingers. You do not need to bring specialist tools. The only extra item we ask for is a small pump, because people like to practice on their own equipment.
I can bring one.
Before the session, everyone must watch a short safety video. It used to be shown in the classroom, but now it is completed online.
Fine, I can do that the night before.
When you arrive, bring either your confirmation email or a printed receipt. The volunteer at the door prefers the receipt because it shows the payment clearly.
I will print the receipt.
The workshop is not at the shop front. Go through the side gate and meet us at the old station building.
The station building, I know the one.
Great, you are booked for Saturday morning. Please arrive 10 minutes early because the doors close once the demonstration begins. If you need to change the booking, use the link in the confirmation rather than phoning the workshop on the day.
That is the end of part 1.